This video will teach you how to write Pysanky. This word comes from the Ukrainian verb pisati, which means to write. That's why we say we write them. They're not made with stickers or markers. They're made the traditional way with beeswax and dyes. A single Ukrainian Easter egg is called a pysanka. The plural for many Ukrainian Easter eggs is pysanky. It's not pysankas, nor Pysanky, or some other word like that. It's Pysanky. Here is a very brief overview. Later in this video, we'll go through the process step by step. The special things like beeswax, a kiska tool, and dyes are in your student kit. You'll also need some ordinary things that you have at home. The wax tool you'll use is called a kiska. It's also called a stylus or a janting. Eggshell dyes come in many bright, vibrant colors. They are not ordinary food coloring. Students usually develop their own way to hold a kiska. Holding it like a pencil is recommended, but not mandatory. The reason the beeswax doesn't spill out of the kiska until you touch the egg is called surface tension. Always follow the safety steps in this video. Download and read the fire safety fact sheet and use your common sense too. The 8-pointed star rosette is a favorite Pysanky design. Using a pencil is optional. It creates guidelines only to help with symmetry and balance. Once you get the hang of using a kiska and beeswax, you might not even need pencil guidelines. As you write your lines and symbols with beeswax, the white color of the egg will be protected. This clip shows how to scoop up beeswax into the kiska. You don't need much. A little goes a long way. This clip shows how to put an empty eggshell into a jar of dye. The colors in your student kit are yellow, orange, red, and black. When you write your lines and shapes with beeswax on your egg, the yellow color will be protected. Add dots, lines, and curls to your symbols. Be creative. This will give them character. This clip shows a good example of how to turn the egg while writing. You don't turn the kiska, rather you turn the egg. This clip shows how to fill in shapes and cover areas with melted beeswax using the kiska. Don't be dismayed with what you see. Remember that all the previous colors you used, the white, the yellow, the orange, and the red, are protected. You'll see them soon after the last step.